In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stabilize video in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever shot handheld footage and ended up with a little shake or jitter, the built-in stabilizer in DaVinci Resolve can smooth things out quickly. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can follow along and get clean, professional-looking results without any confusion. First, open the DaVinci Resolve app. Give it a moment to load your project or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Everything we're doing today works great in the edit environment and doesn't require any special plugins. Next, go to the edit page. You'll know you're there when you see your timeline at the bottom and the viewer at the top. This is the best place for quick practical stabilization because it keeps you close to your clips and the basic tools you already use for trimming and arranging. Now, click on the shaky clip in your timeline to select it. Make sure you've highlighted the exact clip you want to fix, not the entire track. If the stabilizer seems unavailable later, it almost always means a different clip is still selected, so double check you see the highlighted outline around the right one. With the clip selected, click the inspector button at the top right of the interface. The inspector is your control panel for whatever clip you've chosen, and it's where DaVinci Resolve groups all the most useful adjustments, things like transform, cropping, and of course stabilization. If you don't see it, it might be collapsed. Clicking the button will expand it. Scroll down inside the inspector and expand the stabilization section. You'll find it below the basic transform controls. Opening this reveals the stabilizer options for the selected clip, along with the button that triggers the analysis. Finally, click the stabilize button to let Resolve analyze the movement. The software will scan the frames, calculate how the image shifts, and apply corrections automatically. You'll see a progress indicator while it works. The length and resolution of your clip can affect how long this takes. When it finishes, play your clip back in the viewer. You should notice smoother motion and fewer jitters. It's normal to see a slight crop or zoom. This is Resolve compensating for the movement to keep your subject steady. If your computer is under heavy load, give the timeline a moment to cache before judging the result. And if the look isn't quite right, remember you can always return to the same stabilization panel to revisit your settings later. That's all there is to it. Open Resolve, head to the edit page, select your shaky clip, open the inspector, expand stabilization, and click stabilize to let Resolve do the hard work for you.